Commodity update. Commodity prices down, the dollar strengthened. Most commodity prices have weakened over the past 2 weeks. Commodity prices in the last 2 weeks have weakened. In the soft commodity, rice prices fell by -10%, sugar -6%, while soybean, maize and rubber declined slightly by -1%. In hard commodity, WTI price dropped -4%. Slightly +1%, while BDI slightly decreased -3%. See table in Figure 1. Dollar appreciation. Total commodity price pressures of war concerns, slowdown of Chinese economy and the Turkish currency crisis. The dollar strengthened in the past 2 weeks by the close of almost 1% and reached its peak in 12 months. Commodity price pressures. Although over the past few days, the dollar has weakened somewhat in anticipation of trade talks between the US and China. However, we see the dollar is likely to appreciate in the rest of this year. Given the strong US economic outlook, the Fed's continued interest rate hike 2 more times this year, and rising risks to the financial markets, as demand for dollars increases as a safe haven asset, commodity prices are likely to be adjusted against the dollar, down below $1,200 per ounce. For the first time in half years, oil prices have been under pressure from crude stocks. Rising market forecasts keep up the trade talks between the US and China this week. The key factor to watch for is the trade talks between the United States and China between August 22 to 23 before the import tax of Chinese goods, $16 billion at 25%, will be effective on August 23. However, we in the market expect that the negotiations may not reach the agreement as expected. It is also likely to be a downward pressure on commodity prices. Palm prices are under pressure from rising supply. Affin Hwang Capital Research Institute, Malaysia, the world's second largest producer of palm oil, is expected to increase its production capacity in the second half of this year. Production of palm oil this year will increase by 1 to 2% YoY, while the price of palm oil in 2018 to 21 will fall to 2,350 ringgit $576 to 2,500 ringgit per metric ton. Earlier, the price was down at 2,500 to 2,600 ringgit. After falling to a 2.5-year low. Suggestion: take profit and hold cash to look at the outcome of trade talks between the US and China.